I'm going to make this go apparently get fired by blowing the fire alarm. This is going to be hilarious. Oh, ha 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 ha. I need to get out of here. This right now. For what are you here right now? Because I want to stay home. Because I want to go home in last year. Oh yeah, let's watch the news on TV. This is gonna be in there. Hi, I'm scared of the fire alarm. Hello, my name is Professor. Because I'm too scared of fire alarm because I was crying. There. Now what do we do? It was Boris Anderson. He was doing in there. Four. It was four. Four. Did you pull the fire alarm? Yes, I did. Four. How dare you pull the fire alarm at school? You know people were scared because of you. That's so freaking it. You're grounded. 4. 23, 76, 47, 82, 64, 70, 82, 64, 72, 64, 46, 99, 99, 99, 76, 47, 23, 76, 99, 99, 99 years. Go upstairs to your room, never come back again. What? Yeah. What? Wah.